Hi, I'm Uye-Parker, Ableton Certified Trainer. I will guide you through the Ableton Live's manual with these video lessons to make Live easy and fun to use and to help you express all of your musical ideas. Over 7 hours of training and practical exercises to complete at your own pace. After taking this masterclass, you will gain a deep understanding of Ableton Live 11's interface, concepts, new features and much more. I've prepared some exercises for you so you can put in practice with the most useful features and techniques. These exercises will be supported by downloadable content, templates, effect racks and sample packs. This masterclass will make you a more confident music producer and improve your music production skills. Join my class, learn new skills and level up your Ableton game.